Alrighty, so here's how you can make money online fast. Okay, yes, I'm talking to you. That 14-year-old, that 16-year-old, that 18-year-old, heck, maybe even you're 25 years old, and you're looking to try and find a way to make money online fast. You can support your family, you can prove your friends wrong, etc., 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 but yet you don't believe it's possible because you've tried every single way, you've watched all these different gurus, and you still haven't made any money yourself. And so I'm going to break this down because I myself have spent thousands of hours watching videos, and I've also spent thousands of hours implementing and doing and taking action and making a bunch of money online myself so that I can now live on my own terms and run my own business and do what I want when I want. So let's share this with you so hopefully you can do the same, because I truly believe that any single person watching this video can do it. Yes, even you, that 14-year-old kid from India who's never made money online and has been trying this for the past 3 years. I promise you after this video, you'll be a lot closer. So the first thing you have to understand is two things, right? Essentially, which is how do you make money? Right? How do you truly make money? Well, you should analyze, how do businesses take your money? Think about it. When was the last time you spent money? How did that business take the money from you? And what you realize is that you make money, or somebody or a person or a business or an entity makes money when they do something for another person. Now, granted, this doesn't have to be just solving a problem, right? It doesn't have to be just problems. It could be, you could be selling status, right? You could be selling status. You could be selling convenience. You could be selling a lot of different things. But it is typically, you make money when you give something for someone else. So it's a transaction. So it's like you give X, but you get Y. Okay? Some sort of transaction is how you make money. You give up something to get something else, right? Think of McDonald's. How does McDonald's take your money? Well, you give the money, they give you a burger. Think of coaching. What do? You give money, they give you expertise, knowledge, insights, etc. So to make money, we have to understand is that we have to give somebody something. Now, in the world of online, typically is you help somebody solve a problem or you help somebody with convenience. For example, anybody can edit a video, but if you help somebody edit it and you save their time, you are giving them convenience. So I guess you could argue, well, you're solving a problem, but you're also giving them convenience, which is you just give them more time or you let them do something quicker. So now that we understand this, we have to boil it down to, okay, well, how can we make money online? Because none of this matters if we can't make money online. So let's go to this little equation of money and fast online. Well, the first thing that you have to do, okay, is number one, is you have to have a skill. You have to have something to sell. So you have to have something. Okay, now most people watching this video actually have skills. Let me give you an example. Can you edit a video? Okay, boom, you have a skill. Do you know something about marketing? Okay, boom, you have a skill. Are you good at a specific game? Okay, you have a skill. If you just have any sort of skill set, you have something you can sell online. Okay, simple as that. Simple, okay? So, first thing is first, you need to get a skill. Like, literally, get any skill. Editing, SMA, I don't give a shit what it is. Get a skill so you can do something. And you can even do this not online. You could mow lawns. You could take out garbage. Think about garbage. What does that do? Well, it doesn't really give them status. It doesn't really solve a problem, but it's convenient. Oh, you take out my garbage for me? Cool. Convenient, right? So, when I talk about that, we're talking about online. Number one, you need a skill, my friends. Okay, if you don't have a skill, pause this video, go get a skill. Super easy. Go on the internet, learn how to edit content, learn how to run ads, do whatever you want to do, learn how to make a website, design, I don't care. Learn how to increase conversion rates, learn sales. That's a really good one to learn. I won't get into it too much, but number one is learn skill. Number two, bear with me, okay, because this is where it might sound like every other video. I'm going to break it down so you can understand it, so you can do it, implement it today, and start making money. Is number two, you have to present people your offer. So, number two is make an offer. Make a offer. Now, what does this mean? How do you? I'll show you. Okay. So, simply put, once you have a skill set, you need to go out to people in this universe and offer them the skill set you have. Simple as that. Okay? Now, there's a million different ways you could do this. You could do this DMing people on Instagram. You could send people cold emails. You could run ads. You could do whatever you want. I'm talking to the beginners here. The absolute beginners. And right, and our goal, once again, isn't, in this case, it's not to build a business, and it's not to do something for long term. It's just to make money fast. So, now granted, do I think this is a good idea? No, this is a terrible idea. But I'll still make this video to show you how you can make money fast, because is it doable? Yes. Is it smart? No. So just know, if you're actually trying to build a big business, do not do this. Do not try and do it fast, because you will fail. Okay, look at Amazon, prime example. They didn't try and do it fast, now look at them. They make over $1 billion a day. Imagine making $1 billion a day. Yeah, but it took a lot of years to get there, okay? So make an offer. So first you got to pick your outreach platform, right? You got to find people that you want to reach out to. Don't care about picking a niche. Don't care about anything. Here's what you're going to do. You are going to, at scale, right? If you want to make money fast, you got to put in a lot of work. And money doesn't just flow, okay? I'm not going to sit here and pretend that, oh, money's easy to get if you just, no. Money doesn't just come to you. You have to work for it. So let's say you pick Instagram DMs, which is the most viable option. Most people have access to an Instagram account. It doesn't cost money. It just takes a bit of time. All you're going to do is reach out to every single person in the universe that you can find that might benefit from your skill. Here's what you're going to say. Hey, name, I'm so-and-so. I've been studying X, Y, and Z for the past months, and I've learned boom, 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 boom. I took a look at what you're doing in XYZ space. I noticed that this could help you out by doing ABC. Would you be open to having me do this for you? Question mark. Boom. Simple as that. Now listen, if you want to work for free, you can. But like I said, you people here don't have patience. You don't want stuff to be slow, so we want to make it fast. So we won't say free because we want to start charging money. So what we're going to do is we're going to make an offer, right? I just told you, you're going to DM people with the exact script. Go watch it back and just fill in the blanks, right? I'm Name. I've been studying this thing for X, Y, and Z months. I've gotten really good at it. Here's what I learned. I took a look at your whatever. I realized it could maybe use some help. I was wondering if you'd be open to talking about it. Something as super simple as that. You're not trying to hard sell them. You're just trying to... Now, listen. Is this the best thing to do to scale a business? No, not at all. Okay? Let's make it very clear. If you want to scale a big business, go join my Discord community. Go watch my old videos. That's way more applicable. If you're just looking to make a bit of money online, this is what you need to do. Okay? So send that type of DM. Super authentic, super transparent, super a lot of damaging omissions, a lot of good stuff in there. Okay? The person knows your intentions. Super simple. Okay? Just like that. And when I say you gotta do a lot, you want to make money fast? Send 250 DMs per day. Everyone's like, whoa, what? That's a lot of work. Yeah, I know. You said you want to make money fast, right? I'm not going to sit here and BS you and say that you're just going to sit back and make money. It doesn't work that way. You can't just post a job listing on Fiverr and expect everybody to hit you up. That's not how it works. You want to make money fast? Start working for it. Okay? This is the truth. I've done it, and I'm telling you, it ain't easy. But trust me, it works if you do it. 250 DMs a day. Trust me, it'll work if you do this, okay? I don't want to hear any excuses. Oh, I get banned. Okay, make more accounts. Oh, or reach out on a different platform. Oh, it takes a lot of time. I know. But you said you want to make money, right? Just saying, okay? So, choose your hard. It's hard to send 250 DMs a day, but it's harder to be broke. So choose your hard, because they'll both be difficult. Okay, you can sit here and complain all day about either or. Okay, last thing is number 3. Technically, you've already made money by this, is just deliver, right? Start to deliver. Once you've got, people will say yes. If you reach out to enough people, people will start to say yes. They'll start to appreciate your hustle. They'll start to appreciate how kind, open, honest, and transparent you are. Like, yeah, I'll give you a shot. Sure, why not? How much does it cost? And here's what you're going to say. You pay me whatever you think I'm worth. Because here's what's going to happen. Is now you don't have to worry about selling people. Because they can pay you nothing. But most people, if you do something for them, they will pay you. So what you do is you say, pay me what you think I'm worth. I used to do this at the very, very, very beginning of before my even agency, when I was just making money online, is when I would make videos, I would say, listen, pay me what you think it's worth. And guess what? Most people would usually pay me more than I would have charged them. Crazy, right? Because when we're starting out, we undervalue our services a ton. And so they will pay you what they think you're worth. And so if you can just deliver, right? If you learned your skill, delivering results should be easy, right? So you will deliver good results. And when you deliver good results, you will get paid good. Because people will be like, oh, damn, this guy was actually good. Let me pay him. And then guess what? Now you could just say to him, hey, could you refer me to more people? Or would you want to keep doing this? Or A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever it is. And you can start making money quick, fast by doing this. Alrighty? And so yes, does it take work? Of course it does. I'm not here to BS you. But when I tell you, if you truly do this and you do this for a month and you don't make money, hit me up and I'll give you a job. If you prove to me that you send 250 DMs a day with that exact script I sent you, okay, and you actually had a good skill that would help people out, and after a whole month of doing this and doing this, you still haven't made any money, hit me up and I'll hire you. If you're actually good at what you do, right? Number 1, you have to be good. You have to be good at what you do. You have to be good, okay? Let's be clear. This is it. You do not need to go watch another freaking video on the internet telling you how to make money online, because it's this simple. This simple. It's not easy, but it is simple. And it's the reason why I'm like sitting here like screaming at you is because, dude, I have almost 1,000 people in my community, if you're not in it, join it, of young entrepreneurs, and most of them make no money. And it baffles me because making money online is simple, super duper simple. Seriously, it's not easy, but it's simple. And people overcomplicate it and then try to do stupid stuff. Now, like I said at the beginning of this video, if you're trying to build a big business, don't do this. This isn't smart. You should start to work for free, collect testimonials, collect case studies, just start to get your foot in the game and start to make a good name for yourself. But like I said, if you don't really care about that, and you don't care about niches, and you don't care about long term and this, that, and you just want to make money fast now, which like I said, isn't a good idea. I don't recommend it, but you can do it. This is all you need to do, is get a skill, make an offer to a ton of different people, and eventually somebody will say yes. Right? About 3% of the market is ready to buy right then and there. So if you just DM enough people, present your offer to enough people, there will be somebody that is like, oh, I was just looking for this perfect timing. And you'll get in. And then guess what? Now you use that as a case study. Hey, I did this for so-and-so. Want me to do it for you? And now you start to ask for referrals. And boom, it starts to take off. Right? The first one is always harder than the second one. Always. And so this is all you need to do. I know it's simple, because I've done it and I've helped hundreds of people do it before. This works. You just have to put in the effort. If you truly care about making money online, do this. That's it. Learn a skill, okay, get good, and then send these DMs, and you will make money. Fast too. And the more of these you do, the more money you'll make. And quicker too. So if you want to make money faster, the fastest way, have a better skill and reach out to more people. Like, if you literally want to increase your odds of making money quicker and making more money, get a better skill, like provide more value and do more volume. Simple as that. If you have any questions whatsoever on how you can make money online, first, watch this video again because I've just explained the entire thing. But two, join my Discord and DM me. I answer any single question anybody asks me in my Discord so I can help you. Okay? Because at one point, I was a brokey, I was a depressed university student, and not long after, I ended up making 6 figures online by just providing, well, I did something a little different than this, but that's okay. Alrighty, so that being said, if you want to start and or let's say you've been trying this space for a year and you've seen no results, or you're just trying to get into this space and you're just trying to make money fast, so you can prove to your parents you can do this and then they'll let you keep doing it, this is all you need to do. Like I said, there's a lot of work, but guess what? You don't need to make a website. You don't need to have a logo. You don't even need to have a company name or any of this stuff. You don't need this. All you need is a skill. You need to make an offer to people. It's as simple as that, right? And so that's why I'm not overcomplicating it, because it doesn't need to be overcomplicated. You don't have to do all these crazy things. Making a website doesn't make you money in the short term. In long term, yes, it can help, right? But long term, I'm not talking about long term, I'm talking about short term. So in the short term, if your goal is simply just make as much money as you can as quick as possible, this is exactly what you should do. That being said, if you like this video and you like me talking and screaming at you, go watch some of my other videos. I post a lot of content helping beginner entrepreneurs start and scale their agency online to make more money, for free, of course. And if you want to join my community to network with like-minded entrepreneurs, join that Discord button down below and come chat with us and ask me any question you want. And other than that, have an amazing rest of your day, and I hope that you can make more money online. Peace.